Again guys, so for today's video, this in this is a washing machine Eureka. So the problem with this is the spin motor is not functioning. When I check it, the fuse is blown out because the spin motor is already burned out and it's already corroded. So before you replace this one, make it sure to check the rubber below, and it should not have leak. So make it sure, always check. This is the rubber below that sealed the water, so that the water it will not go downside, and if this one is leak, there's possible but possible the water will drip downside and ruin the spin motor. So always check it out guys. This one is already corroded, the spin motor, so there's a 90% possibility that this rubber below is already damaged. So I already replaced here the black inside, that is the rubber below. I already replaced with a new one and installed a new spin motor. Here it is, our new spin motor. New. So always check the rubber below. Always check this one when you see a sign of corrosion. Make it sure it's 100% good workmanship. So for now we have to try. If this one is working, our new motor, so I have to plug it in. First, try the wash motor. The wash motor is now working. We will try the spin motor. This one is running. Okay, pull the cable, brake cable. It's working, man. good. We will continue to put this spin top. We'll put this one and check for the water leak. There's still a water leak. After that, proceed for delivery. That's all for today. And thank you.